What's up, everybody? Guess what we're doing today? We're fixing my kid's ride. Let me turn her around and show you what I got going on. Here we got us a 2001 Chevy Blazer 4-door. My daughter wrecked hers up beginning of winter. It's been sitting the whole time. So I found this one for somewhat cheap. Couple $100. Donor. I'm gonna need that front fender, the other front fender, the whole front end of this truck. I need the hood, the bumper, the core support, probably put the doors on it, need the mirrors. Yeah, this one's not in the sweetest shape, but it runs and drives. I actually drove it home, just had some wiring issues, and you know your boy with wiring issues. We take right care of that, don't we? Yep, they were pretty disappointed when I had it started in a few minutes, but happy at the same time to get a couple bucks because I thought they were gonna have to have it junkyarded. But so well, they kind of did have a junkyard, HOPPY'S Junkyard. So I'm gonna get to it. Maybe you guys can join me. I'll stop here and there, show you what I got going on. But other than that, once we get this tore apart, I think we're gonna rally it. Yep, I think we're gonna have a little video of us doing a little bit of rally action. All right, well, enough talking. I better get to it. It's getting late, and I need to get this done this weekend for sure. Here we go. All right, first step is complete. I went through and got the bumper bolts all off. Figured I'd take the bumper off first. After we pulled the grill out, the grill's super simple. It just unclips basically, and your lights have these little slide tabs back here that you pull up, and then the whole light pulls out. Then you unclip the grill all the way along. But then we had one there, one down in there. Same on this side, on both sides. And then if we get up underneath here, we can look up, and then let's see here, right there, where that bolt is, I basically just loosened that because it's so super crappy and muddy, and then undid this bracket right here. We'll zoom back out. This bracket right here that goes up here, I just undid that and moved it out of the way so I can pull the bumper off because I'm going to need that for my kid's car, my kid's truck anyways. So alright, now I think this bumper should slide off. Let's see. Let's see if we can get her a yank. Yeah! Woohoo! There's step one. Let's move on to step two. Well, this is the one great thing about living in a state that uses salt on the roads. So I got all the bolts out except for that one right there and that one right there. And that's because they're all rusted and nasty and they just spin and won't come out. A lot of times they use these stupid little U-clips and the clip breaks and then they just spin with inside themselves. So now I gotta figure out how the heck I'm gonna get those two out, which I guess I could pull the fender and the inner fender well all together. But man, so yeah, a little bit stuck right now. But I did get the other side off. That wasn't too bad. Still got to get the inner fender well out because that's all crunched. Still got to get the core support all out. And this is going to be a good one right here. Probably just going to end up having to cut those. I don't know what else to do. But we're moving. All kinds of stuff had to move out of the way. Air box. Bunch of stuff, had to undo a bunch of clips. So yeah, that one bolt's back in there somewhere, and the other one's right here. I might be able to get on that one, but I might just try to have to take the whole inner fender well and everything off, which you can do, but to me it's just easier to have a bunch of pieces. Of course, gotta get the hood latch off. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break here for a second and see what I can figure out what I want to do. Yeah, pretty much, yep. Pretty much, yep. Well, I got it almost there. I got a couple bolts that are being stubborn. I'm gonna go down here and show you. It's got more of them stupid clips. I gotta get to that one right there. Yeah. And then this side should come off. I think everything is free. Got all the wiring harness back out and through. Looks like a mess now, for sure. And then of course on this side, I got that same inside bolt. I don't know if you can see that or not. Same inside bolt and this outside, but at least I can get to that one right there. So that should be fine. And then the core support can come out. I did find out that I got this loose, and that's actually got a couple screw clamps on it. So I can just undo them. That's for the power steering. Undo those, slide them out. Pull the core support off and put them back in before I lose too much, hopefully. But yeah, I'm pretty wore out for tonight. Being old sucks. My back sucks. Everything, well, not everything sucks. The garage sucks, that's for sure. Jesus, look at all that. Oh my goodness. But there's the fender over there. So, yep, I'm going to call it a wrap for tonight. We'll see you in the morning.